Mr. Emerson Mnangagwa's personal DJ Masomere, was reportedly manhandled at an event in Bulawayo over the weekend, according to well-placed sources within ZANU-PF. Sanapina mashuka tuna kuti aiwa anozikana uye anozviti DJ weSADC kana DJ Masomere panguva inoi meno zvoitana nevakomana vekubulawayo uko. Zvatinoona kuti information yacho yabuda panapa haizi clear, pazvinatso kuratidza kuti mukomana akaoneswa chimoto. Ndipo subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timna Zimba Ebudanyira Chiti. The incident, which took place at a ZANU-PF gathering, has stirred controversy, though the exact reasons for the altercation remain unclear. The ZANU-PF controlled Operation Restore Lega's Facebook page reviewed the details about the incident. In the post, the page expressed outrage at the assault on DJ Masomere, castigating the actions of ZANU-PF youths in Bulawayo. The post, which appeared on Monday, stated, "Bulawayo province youths, we are coming for you. Why did you want to beat DJ? We, SADC, cannot tolerate you assaulting our DJ. You cannot grab his collar, his jacket, and humiliate him like that." The statement continued by addressing internal disagreements within the province, specifically highlighting the role of commissariat department. In open courts, Bulawayo province hanzi tine department re commissariat hatina ma-DJ anowanikwa kubawa. Additionally, the post referred to a separate issue involving a person named Afia, accusing her of causing trouble among attendees and publicly disrespecting others at the event. Though the exact motives behind the assault on DJ Masomere remain unclear, the event has triggered a wave of discussions and raised questions about the internal dynamics within the party, particularly in Bulawayo. The matter is likely to continue unfolding in the coming days. Thomas Kwanonga kunza aiwa mukomana anozviti aiwa DJ Masomere panguva ine makomana veBulawayo youths vari veZANU-PF panguva ine vomuonesa chimoto. Vatiri kuona kuti vakomana voti tiri kukudzokerai. Tuze mafunguro enyu tuli pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa pindai comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.